Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishwa Saital. I hope you all are doing fine. So let's solve today's problem for geek. The problem name is minimum times A has to be repeated such that B is a substring of it. So it's a medium problem. So we are given two string A and B. Find minimum number of times A has to repeat such that B is a substring of it. Okay. If B can never be substring, then return -1. So they are saying simply we have to repeat a string multiple times to get a substring where A will have a substring of B. So let's understand this problem by example. So we do have an example here A, B, C, D and B string which will have C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B. So what do we have to make? We have to multiply A times to get a substring which is B. So let's understand here. First what we will do here? We will create a string, an empty string. Okay. After creating empty string, what we will do? We will go and add A. So what will be the new string here? What will be the C here? We will go and add A. So C will be equal to A, B, C and D. Okay. Do this is like this is a substring of this guy? No, which is this has a length of how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this cannot be a substring of C now. So what we will do? In this question they told we have to keep on adding multiple times A. So what we will do? We will go and add another A here. So what is A here? Again A, B, C, D. So C will be now equal to A, B, C, D. Again A, B, C, D. So now the length is same, but we have to check if the substrings are there. Let's see. Do we have CD here? We do have CD here. Do we have ABCD here? We do have ABCD. Now what is missing? We are missing A and B. So here we don't have A and B. In backside we have, but in substring we have to go in order wise. So it should be here A and B. So now what we have to do? In the question they told we have to add A here. So what we'll do here? We'll do the same thing here. We'll go and add A. So now the new string will look like this: A, B, C, D. Again A, B, C, D. Again A, B, C, D. So now what we'll do? We will go and check if this is a substring of this guy. So let's see here. We do have CD. We have also CD here. Now we have A, B, C, D. We do have A, B, C, D here. Now check for AB. We do have AB. All with this together. Now we can say this is a substring of B. Okay. Now what do we have to return? We have to return here if A can. So what we have to return? We have to return if B can never be a substring, then return -1. Find the minimum number of time A has to be repeated. So how many times we repeated A here? We repeated here how many times? 1, 2, 3. So what is the output here? Output should be here 3. Do we get here 3? Yes, we are getting here 3. I hope I'm clear. Let's check for another example. For this case, when B will be equal to -1. Let's say A is equal to A and B. And what we have to do? We have to find a substring which contains C, A and B. So what we will do? First we will go and create an empty string. What we will do? We will create an empty string. We created an empty string. Now what we have to do? We will go and add A here. So one time we added. So A, B. Now the C will be A and B. Now we will go and check. Do we have here A and B here? We have A and B, but we don't have C. So now what we'll do? In the question they told we can only add A. So we will go and add A here. We'll go and add a here. Now C will be equal to AB, AB. So how many times we will repeat A? We can repeat 100 or 200 times A, but we will never get a substring of CAB. Why we will not get? Because in A we don't have C here. So that's the reason we will never get CAB as a substring of a C, any string. I hope I'm clear, because we don't have C here, that's why we are not getting a substring here. If the case was ABC, if A will have A, B, C, then we can see here, we can make ABC has this first time one we will add, then we will add AB, another we will add, that time we will have this guy as a substring. But in this case we have only A and B. That's the reason we can never have a substring of B. I hope I am clear. Why do we don't have a substring of B? Let's code here now. I'm using a IntelliJ to code this problem. So I have created a body type, whatever the body type was there, I have created it. Okay, I have created a body type. So let's see the example. Now what I did here? I created here a string, empty string. So now I will create an empty string which is C. Okay, I have created an empty string. Now what I will do? I will have to see how many times I have added A. So I will have a count here. I will have a count. I will assign it as a 0 at first. Now I have to repeat how many times till I get a substring, or till I can say like we will never have a substring. So I can say the length of a string into 2 times, length of the string B into 2 times. Why? I will tell you here. So we can say here, so what is the length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will say till the C will be less than or equal to 2 times the length of B, which is equal to 8. Why I am telling it? So if we add ABCD almost 8 times, if still we didn't get a substring of B here, so we can say here this will never have a substring. A will never create a substring of B. Why I am saying here? Let's take this as an example. So we created ABCD. So it took 3 times to add A to get this string. So what is the total here? This is the total of equal to the length of is equal to 12, which is less than or equal to the length of this 16, which is 16 here. 2 times 8. So where did we get here? We got here till here, CD, A, B, C, D, till here. So I can say till the 2 times the length of the B, we will keep on running it. If we didn't find anything, we will just return -1. So what I will do? I will use a while loop here. I will use a while loop, and I will say the length of a C should be less than or equal to 2 times the length of the B. Okay. Now what I will do? I will just go and add C here. C plus equal to A. Okay, and I have to say count plus plus. Now I will see if I have to check also if there is a substring or not. For that I will use a method called contain. So I will use a method called contain. C dot contains A, sorry, not A, B. If it does contain, just do one thing, return the value of count. Okay. If it doesn't contain, after finishing the while loop, then what we have to return? In this case, they told we have to return -1. So we have to do -1. We have to return -1. Let's run it and see. We are getting the same output as this guy, which is 3 here. It's building up. So we are getting the same output as 3 here. So let's do a debug. Let's do a dry run of this. So now C will be empty here. Now count will be equal to 0 and the length will be less than 16. So it will go down and it will go at A. Now the updated version of C will be A, B, C, D. And we have to increase the count. Why we have to increase the count? We have added A. So it will keep track how many times we will add A. So now if we check, if it contains B, it will return false. So it will not go here. So now it will go again into a while loop and it will check if the length is less than 16. Now the length of C is equal to 4 and it's less than 16. So it will come. It will be true here. It will come here. It will come down. It will keep on adding A now. So now the count will be equal to 2 and here will be updated. C will be A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Now it will check if it contains B. No, it will return false. Now it will again go to the while loop and it will check. Now the size of the sieve is equal to 8 and the length should be less than or equal to 16. So it is true. It will go down and will check. Now it will update the C value. It will add again A and we have to increase the count, which is equal to 3. Now we will check if ABCD contains B. Yes, it contains. Then it will go. It will just return the value 3. I hope I am clear here. Okay. So let's copy this and check for a time error. If there is a time error in this guy. So we will go. We will copy this and paste it. Okay, submit. Okay, I will compile it first. It's compiling. Like submit and see. It's getting submitted. So I will make it. I hope I'm clear with this solution. If you have any doubt regarding this solution, please do comment. I will try to help you. And if you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And keep coding. Chalo, bye. Let's see.